amazing health solutions. One of our outstanding product is what we call Salud. Salud is an incredible product. In fact, it's a masterpiece of years of research and experience. If you look at the product Salud, it has several ingredients that are powerfully put together, over 10 to 12 ingredients powerfully put together to provide you that amazing result that you see each time you use a Salud. Now, one of the major ingredients in Salud is called drumstick. There are other ingredients like the one we call Justicia Cania. We have Astonia buni. We have Theobroma. We have Kaya ivorensis. We have several amazing ingredients inside of that bottle of Salud. The first thing Salud does for you is that Salud helps you to handle chronic inflammation. Like I told you, chronic inflammation is that fire that is burning in your body. It will lead to every chronic disease that you have ever known or heard about. So Salud will help you to reduce and to curb that chronic inflammation over time. Now remember, inflammation will lead to pain, it will lead to swelling, it will lead to organ and then cellular damage and all that. So Salud will do that amazingly for you. Salud is also full of antioxidants, natural antioxidants. And remember, antioxidants will mop up what we call free radicals and then what we call reactive oxygen species. These free radicals destroy cells and body organs and systems and cause chronic disease. Now let me give you an example of what free radical does. If you get something like a metal and you pour water and allow oxygen to go into that metal, you see that over time that metal will become weak and brittle and begin to peel off. That is what we call rusting. Now imagine that happening inside of our bodies. Our cells will die and they will be destroyed within a short period of time, and there are a lot of chronic diseases will develop. So Salud has that powerful set of antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative damage. At the same time, it helps you to curb chronic inflammation. Now, if in case you don't know what inflammation does, inflammation will manifest in the way of arthritis of the bones and all that, pains all over your body, different parts of the body systems. We develop pain because of chronic inflammation. Now, some organ system will become destroyed because of chronic inflammation. People will develop type 2 diabetes, people will develop high blood pressure, people will develop, prostate disease. Different issues will arise because of inflammation, chronic inflammation, and Salud will help you to mop all this up. Now, Salud has powerful ingredients as well that can help you with your blood sugar control. Yes, it can help you to improve in sensitivity to insulin in the body systems. That's why you give somebody with type 2 diabetes Salud, the person begins to do much better. Salud can help with what we call anti-tumor. Salud has powerful anti-tumor effects. It helps us to reduce abdominal growth within our bodies. It does what we call cell cycle arrest. Arrest the cell, duplication at some points. Remember what happens in cancer cells or tumors? The cells are proliferating, in an uncontrollable manner. But Salud has ingredients that can checkmate this abnormal growth. At the same time, Salud also has phytochemicals, bioactive substances that can help to, prevent even the spreading away of tumor and then other kind of cancer cells. Right? So Salud is powerfully put together. Salud can help us with people who have piles or hemorrhoids can use Salud and they will do amazingly well. People who have allergies, like skin allergies, like asthma, allergies of the airway, they will do very well with Salud. Right? Salud also helps us to control the cholesterol profile of our blood, reducing the bad cholesterol and then helping the cardiovascular system to do much better. Even the heart gets much better with Salud. Right? So Salud, it helps people with prostate enlargement, prostate diseases, women with fibroids. They do amazingly well with Salud. Right? And that's why we say Salud has myriads and myriads of benefits. Okay? And to use Salud, you just need about 30 meals morning and night. Okay? Just to stay healthy. If you have severe health conditions, you may take it up to 40 meals morning and night, or even 50 meals morning and night, and you will do amazingly well. Thank you so much for joining us.